Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Discover It Credit Scorecard, beginner guide step by step clearly. Type Discover It Credit Scorecard into the search bar. Click on the official Discover website link that appears in the search results. Once on the Discover Credit Scorecard page, locate the Get Your Free Scorecard button and click it. This will redirect you to a registration page. You will need to provide some personal information, including your name, email address, and social security number. Make sure to read the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Next, set up a secure password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated box. After creating your password, click on the Create Account button. You may receive an email to verify your account. Check your inbox for this email. Follow the link provided in the email to confirm your account registration. Return to the Discover Credit Scorecard page and log in with your newly created credentials. Once logged in, you will be able to view your credit score, credit report summary, and other relevant information. Explore the features available to help you understand and manage your credit score. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and tools provided. That concludes the basic steps for subscribing to the Discover It Credit Scorecard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.